Hi friends, today we are going to learn about what is file handling in C Sharp .NET. File handling in C Sharp .NET refers to the process of reading, writing, creating, deleting and manipulating files using .NET framework. C Sharp provides several classes and methods that allow developers to interact with files and perform various file operations. These operations including reading data from files, writing data to files, checking if file exists and deleting files. The primary class used for file handling in C Sharp are found in the system.io namespace. The most commonly used classes include. First, we'll talk about file class. The file class provides a static methods for creating, copying, deleting, moving, and opening files. It also provides methods to read from and write to files. Common methods in file class: file.create, create a new file; file.copy, copies a file to a new location; file.delete, deletes a file; file.exist, check if a file exists; file.read all text, reads the content of a file into a string; and file.write all text, writes a string to a file. Now we will see one example how the file class will be working in .C Sharp. Here we have a main method and have a text file is there. So in the file path. So now I am using file class file dot write all text. That means writing a text to a file. Now I am assigning these text into a file called this one, and now reading text from a file. See, look at file dot read all text method. I'm giving the path of the file. This will return and read the file console dot write line the content. And now the last method is file dot delete. This will delete this path, this file. So friend, this is about file class. Now we'll see other classes. The second class is stream reader and stream writer. Stream reader is used to read text from a file, while stream writer is used to write a text to a file. These class provide a way to read and write files line by line. Example, we'll see that. Stream reader class. See, here we have a file path. The file name is example.txt, and writing to a file using stream reader class. See, this is a stream reader class and I'm giving assigning as a file path. And writer dot write line, I am writing hello world, and even the next line I am writing, this is a second line. This is a stream writer. So stream writer class writes a file. And the next one is stream reader class. Again I am taking the same file path. In the I have taken a variable called line string, and in the reader dot, this reader dot read line method is not equal to line null. This will read the what are the text are there in the file. So friends, just remember that stream writer is used for writing a text to the file. Stream reader is used to is to read the file. Now we will see another, and the next third one is file stream class. The file stream class provides the ability to read and write data to a file at the byte level. So byte level, this is very important. This class is more flexible and powerful than stream reader and stream writer, as it allows you to handle binary files, work with the files in more low level manner. Now we'll see that file stream class. Here we have a file path which is a example.bin, and we have a byte data, that is we have a curly bracket, we have assigned with 0 1 2 3 4 5. To read to write the file, we have to use a file stream class, and which we have to open the file and create a file. And in the file we have to use the write method. The data is this one, look at this is a byte data. So file stream class write in a byte format, and the same file stream class read also in the byte format. See here I have taken a array of byte because it's a byte format. File stream class always read and writes with a binary format only. Now we'll see the next one, dictionary class. The dictionary class provides a static methods for working with dictionary directories, such as creating directories, deleting directories, and listing the files in a directory. The common methods we use, directory dot create directory creates directory if it does not already exist. Here directory means, just remember, it's a folder. And directory dot delete deletes a directory. Directory dot get files retrieves a list of files paths in directory. Directory dot exist check if directory exists. Now we'll see examples of directory class. Here the file path is, here we have declared, and see we have used directory class if exist, that means if folder is exist. But look at here, we have given a exclamation mark before it's. Now the if condition will go with false, because if without exclamation it always checks true. So now it here the line means if file does not exist, create a directory here, that means create a folder, then print directory created. And now listing the files into a directory, directory dot get files. So we have to get the folder, and again in that we have to get all the files in a list, and we have to go with the for each and print that each file. And deleting a file, deleting a directory, that means deleting a folder, directory dot delete method will delete the folder and print that directory deleted. Now again we go with the last one, the path class. The path class provides utility methods for working with file and directory path strings. See, most common used methods here, I'm sorry, path.combine method combines multiple strings into a single file path. Path.get extension retrieves the file extension. Path.get file name retrieves the file name from path. Path.get directory name, that means folder name, retrieves the directory from a path. Now let's see example. Here we have a main class, main method, and we have a file, that is file.text file path. Now I am using path class dot extension, which I am getting extension of file. That means it gets this extension of the file, text file. It will print that extension and get the file. Now path dot get file name. So file name is, it's a file, file. This will print file. Common file operations in C#. For creating a files, use file.create streamwriter or file stream to create a new files. Reading files, file.read all text, stream reader, file stream for reading files. Writing to files, file.write all text, stream writer, file stream for writing files. Copying files, file.copy to copy files from one location to another. Deleting files, file.delete to delete file. Moving file, file.move move To move files from one location to another, directory operation, use directory dot create directory, directory dot delete, directory dot get files. So friends, this is all about file handling in C Sharp. Thank you.